driving man. Rolling down the highway with Jesus beside me, he balanced me over the land. I can hardly wait for to know someday he's gonna take me to a beautiful land. I'm a born again believer, a saved, a grace sinner, and I'm a truck driving man. I travel the highway by night and by day, it's a lonely life sometimes. I got a friend like no other, he's closer than a brother, and he's with me all of the time. He saved my soul and he made me whole, and he'll go with me until the end. For I'm a born again believer, a saved, a grace sinner, and I'm a truck driving man. To read the Bible, I love the words that Jesus said, that if I would believe him, then I could receive him, that just exactly